Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Jinx. I'm gonna quickly show how I place my order. So basically I go to products, I open currencies, and I choose the trending currency, but I'm kind of comfortable with NXM, New Zealand and Mexican peso. So one of the days I found it like a trending currency on the top percentage. Um, but I've been following this currency for a few days and I know how it works. When the currency is trending upward, I buy at a price and try to sell it higher. So this is how I study my chart. Um, Basically, I go for 1 minute, 10 minutes, whatever. So basically, I'll see 1 minute, it's showing upward trend. Let's go to 1 second. How does it look? Let's go to 10 minutes. How does it look? Um, and then I go for like a daily chart. What's happening? It came all the way down and it's kind of going in an upward trend. Even let's say this is a resistance point and it might come down after that. At this stage, it has not reached this peak position, so I'm still trying my luck. Um, Now I come back to 1 minute chart and I'll show you what I did. So the line, this is the resistance line and this is the support line. So at the moment it's somewhere trending up. I'm expecting it to come down by tomorrow and touch this blue line where I placed a limit order for a limit order, and I placed at a position where it is touching 3 points. um, and I'm not waiting for this to go all the way up. I'm taking profit where it's touching this point and this point. So I'm planning to take profit here, or I might take it even sooner. That depends on tomorrow. So that's how I place a limit order. I don't usually do the market order, because if I try to do a market order, I'm not fast enough and I incur loss. Like I'll show you today. Today I tried to do a trending currency because this was trending. Even though it was making a profit, by the time I click the sell, it was so quick. There was a sudden red candle came down and it made a $1 loss, even though it was making profit. So what I like to do is place a limit order and decide when it goes this low, I'm gonna buy, and if it goes this high, I'm gonna sell. So that's how I place my order. Thank you for your time. If you guys have a better idea, do let me know. Thank you.